Alright, y'all. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Today, getting ready to take a ride to New Paris. I got a job that we have to go out there and take care of. So, of course, we're doing another family convoy. So, we getting ready to go make this move happen, man. It's kind of good, you know. Look at the little ladies, driving the Dakota. Let me tell y'all something. My wife ain't drove in years. She has a license, but I'm usually the one driving. So, she's actually back there on my back door. I'm surprised she ain't said nothing to me about putting her on camera already. So, with that being said, we getting ready to make this ride. I gotta make a pit stop, go grab to the store, grab a few things, and then we're gonna get back to y'all in a minute, man. Just hopefully y'all had a great day, having a great weekend, actually, because it was rainy yesterday. It was real bad yesterday. Friday and Saturday, it was nothing but rain, you know, and the temperature dropped like crazy too. So today is actually a nice day. Right now my truck reading 55. So we're gonna try to go grab a few things so we can make some monies. Gotta keep bringing that bread in, y'all. Gotta keep bringing it in some kind of way. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive and get back to y'all. Let y'all take a ride with us. That's my door that's open. So, yeah. Catch y'all. Yeah, I know it moves. Little truck. It's a V8. I see you, girl. You was rolling.
I like doing that.
Yeah, I know you. I don't know what you're talking about either. I ain't say nothing about no speed.
Ticket's got to run.
Is it beside?
Yep.
Yeah. So
Sure is.
yeah, so we grabbing us some quick old lunch right now, and then we on our way. The ladies is grabbing the food. Then you got all the guys in the Ram, you know what I mean? I know my son is beside me, but you know they all in the little Dakota.
I didn't just get kicked out of my driver's seat. I got kicked out of my whole truck. Well, that ain't right.
You made, hey, y'all, he made his mama uncomfortable. So I have no control over that situation. You know what I mean? Truck still in her name. So, yes,
Ain't nothing you can do, bro.
Ain't nothing he can do.
Bro.
Nothing. Your son's still whining about you pushing his Dakota, and he in the passenger seat of a Ram.
Dan, can you please repeat that?
I say, your brother over here fussing because he in the passenger seat of the big black Ram instead of being in the driver's seat of the little bitty Dakota, blue Dakota, happy feet. Is y'all cussing at the fucking people at the window?
Not yet, but they're getting ready to.
I just so happened to hear your mama's mouth.
Pull the
I
window
think
down.
that's what I heard.
Window down. I'm about to be hanging out the window trying to listen.
It's slow as fuck.
Oh Lord, have
Turn off,
mercy.
too loud.
My son said, "Cut my truck off. It's too loud." He trying to listen. He like, "Cut the truck off. It's too loud. I can't hear my mama fuss."
Oh, it's slow.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even got any people on the inside.
Well, I was about to say, man, is it? What?
The orders are wrong and they're shoving the bags in Melissa's face and then close the fucking window. Talking about have a nice day.
How the fuck it? You gonna tell a motherfucker have a nice day and my stuff is wrong?
Didn't even hand all the orders out.
Oh wow. All right, we 26 minutes away. You ready?
Yeah, the one I just ate was barely warm. Need something on my stomach. Let's try to fit these french fries here.
It's gonna be hot.
I got one.
So she wasn't bullshitting either. He gotta clean that shit up.
We're like 7 minutes away. So yeah, yo, we cruising. We've been out here just chilling, having a good old time. Oh, I took a picture of myself. I don't mind.
I mean, you got a shoulder too.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm not a ugly, you know what I mean, young man.
No, but you're definitely not in the center.
I definitely what?
You're definitely not in the center.
I don't have to be in this center.
Magnum.
I know he live right there. I see him all the time. Right hand turn coming up at the light, ladies. Remember how my man said on Convoy, right hander, and the lady, she messed up and she rolled her truck.
Don't roll my truck. Don't roll my truck. Please don't roll my truck.
Hey, he said, don't roll my truck, don't roll my truck.
Please don't roll my truck.
Mom said that her name's not Ty or Scott.
Her name's not Ty or Scott.
Got me there.
I can believe that. You're so right. All this property.
Yeah.
All of it.
Good farmland right there.
Yeah, that's all you need right there.
Farm goes far.
Far.
You got to adjust.
Far.
I think it goes all the way back there.
There go the house right there. You got the barn, you probably got the pigs.
Got the
in there.
stylos.
Yeah.
That what's called stylo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember this. That's the one.
truck. Can't get nowhere. Look down the street. That car is all the way against the edge. I'm all the way against the edge, and they're out into the. I'm out into the street, and they not. It's crazy. So we done made it to our
a little bit wide.
Yeah, I'm a wide guy.
Here.
So we're gonna see what's going on here, y'all. Let me run up and chill and see. I don't know. We got this refrigerator, a dryer, a washer. I guess this metal too. All this. Take all of this metal. Yeah. All of that.
Can I get this out of here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, pull your sleeve down. Yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah, y'all. We got a few things to do. So, I'm going to get back to y'all in a minute. As always, stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Please. Thumbs up help. Ooh, low battery, but we made it happen. Yeah, she had it plugged in. No, I got one. Loaded up and trucking. 2 trucks. Hey, y'all. I think we got a go-kart. Y'all think we can put a motor in this one? Right here. Put some new tires on it. Good to go. That's what I think. I'm just be honest with y'all. I think we can put some tires on that. Little lady behind me getting ready to give me a good old shove. Give me a minute, y'all. Hey, gotta sanitize the hands. Gotta sanitize my hands.
There's black mold on the bottom of that fridge.
Yeah. We out here in the country, y'all. Country living. Country life. Cows. Meat. We out here in the middle of no man's land. To be honest with you, there's some nice houses down in between here, but we is really in the middle of no man's land. That's what it seems like. We've been in the woods. White guy go to the bathroom. She back there probably like, why? And we can't find the bathroom yet. Uh-oh, gas station. That's probably the one that pop up 01. Hold on, where the hell we at? We're supposed to be going that way. But we gotta go here to the gas station. Matter of fact, I know I've been out here. I don't know if they have a bathroom, but Melissa probably be like, I ain't using that bathroom.
Oh, okay. That ain't no
Look.
got you trying to hold your feet, man. That ain't no kind of fucking fun.
I'm telling you, probably about the bug. Let's go home. Okay, we going home.
Dang, that's fucked up.
Say, let's go home, ladies and gentlemen. So, we headed home.